STEM education isn't about learning from books, but experimenting, building, and creating. Hands-on learning with STEM kits bridges theory and practice, making concepts fun, engaging, and real. From robotics to electronics, hands-on activities boost problem-solving skills, creativity, and critical thinking, essential for future innovators. So where do you find the right tools to spark innovation? The answer is the Moonpreneur Innovator program. Designed for young minds, it offers hands-on learning through exciting programs like robotics, game development, and app development, where students get to build, experiment, and innovate. Want to take it a step further? Join the Moonpreneur's Innovator program, a launchpad for young entrepreneurs and tech enthusiasts. Get expert mentorship, hands-on projects, and startup building opportunities. Sign up today